Shinydocs can simplify the process of file classification and document ingestion into your ECM. Here's an example from our automation workflow tool, classifying a file. If you're an enterprise organization, you're likely struggling with massive amounts of information at a scale well beyond workers' ability to properly manage. Unstructured, unmanaged data is essentially dark and of little business value to the organization. It's difficult to find, is likely outside of compliance, and as a result, more of a liability than an asset. Shinydocs Cognitive Suite can help you manage this growing information chaos. Here we see our automation workflow has processed the file by extracting its contents and comparing it to other documents already in the index. On finding similar files and their location in the ECM, we know where this file belongs, as well as all the categories and attributes required. In the automation review window, we see that the categories and attributes have been auto-populated after being pulled from the source document. Each field is editable if necessary, but in this case, we're confident in the accuracy of the information, so we can hit Publish. In our current example, the document has been sent to OpenText Content Server. If we look at the properties on the file, we can see that all the information extracted from the document has been properly set within Content Server. This massively speeds up the ingestion process, empowering individuals to assess exponentially more documents in a shorter time. It also improves accuracy, shortens the time to proper migration into the ECM, and converts information from a liability into an asset. It's document classification at machine speed.